If you really want to know about local cuisine, it's best to talk to a local. And so today we're super lucky because we're going to be tasting some of the best barbecue in the city with Ubish from Mexico Underground.
It's Sunday, we are in Mexico City in Azcapotzalco neighborhood and we're going to have breakfast in Barbacoa Renato. Let's go. Here is where they prepare everything, the barbacoa.
Requiere al menos 5 horas
It requires at least 5 hours.
de fuego con leña de árbol, con troncos.
Fire with logs, log fire.
Entonces se enciende el sábado
So it's turned on Saturday
alrededor de las 7 de la mañana
around 7 a.m.
y a las 1, 2 de la tarde
and 1, 2 p.m.
ya se tapa.
it's already
Se le llama tapar. ¿Por qué?
It's called covering it.
Porque va dentro de la tierra, se va
Because
debajo.
it's in the oven, you know, that's why we cover it. This is agave leaves, the pencas.
Una pierna.
That's a leg.
Sale.
The bone just comes out like super easy. This one was cooking 18 hours.
Sobre todo porque es para la venta, ¿no?
Because it's for
Entonces tenemos
sale.
que acomodar que el fuego no se pase, pero que nos cosa bien. Por eso es que
Because they have to be very careful when it's on the cooking time, that it's not too long or too short. Y esa es panza,
esta es la panza.
and that's the stomach.
Corazón, pulmones,
Hearts, lungs. So in the stomach they put all the innards, all the organs, and then they mix it with a chile paste. That's why it's like ready.
una pata de borrego.
That's a lamb leg.
Es muy buena, muy rica.
See?
Pruébale.
Let's try this.
How is it?
Very soft, very rich in flavor. Nice.
Esta tapadera
And then we put that.
se cubre con papel
It's covered with paper.
y abrimos esas compuertas y baja la tierra.
And then they open this, and the dirt goes down.
So what is this leaf?
This is called papalo. So this is a digestive herb. It tastes like a cilantro-ish, kind of bitter, arugula-ish maybe, but it's great for digestion. It's very common to have it like in sandwiches, like semitas, tacos, like these ones, campechanos. So it's usually together with food that is heavy to help you to digest. Mexicans love it.
So this is quesacoa, so it's like a quesadilla de barbacoa,
Exactly, yes.
and it's made with the pancita, with the stomach.
Guys, thank you so much for being here with us. I hope that you enjoyed this barbacoa. This is honestly one of my favorite barbacoas in the city, especially because they cook the barbacoa inside of the restaurant in the earth oven. So come here, remember, only on Sundays, and make sure to make a booking. See ya!